I'll fix it here. I'm about to make my videos better with better lighting for very little money. And I'll show you how to do it so you can too. Look, all you gotta do is go to a yard sale like I did, pick up a couple of music stands for $5 each or whatever you can do. And by the way, this is what I have been using. Just clamp-on lights, and that's pretty cool. You know, they're pretty universal and all that, but this is so much better. And I'll show you, look at this thing that I made that is so much better. Or at least I hope it's going to be better. Look at that, there is a bathroom light that I got in a yard sale. And fully adjustable, everything. So it tilts, goes up and down. Look at all the adjustable things and stuff on that. Notice how I attach this with self-tapping screws. Real simple and easy. The only hole you need to drill, I drilled right here to run my cord through. That's a cord off of an old washing machine. So check this out. There's the tools. These self-tapping screws that you can just put on there. You just need a couple of wire nuts and wire crimpers and stuff, and that's it. So let's see how this thing works. Let's try it out. Okay, as you can see, the lighting is better. Look at how great that is. Now I'll show you the way it was without this new lighting system. There's all the lights on in the room, which isn't nearly enough. So we got this new invention. And also, before I had this, what I had was just some clamp-on lights, and here it is with just the clamp-on lights. See, it helps, definitely helps, but not as good as that. So there we go. This is a big improvement for very little money. I'll fix it closing now with my new lighting, and I think it looks better. What do you think? Put it in my comments. Subscribe to my channel and learn more about doing fun improvements like this. Alright, see you later.